Another example, the university requires all its students to take this course because we just took out this word, that clause from the sentence. Few more examples from the list of the verbs we just spoke about. First example is the doctor suggested that his parents stop smoking. Again हर sentence example के साथ मैं that के साथ भी आपको example बताऊंगी और जिस केस को simple form में कैसे होगा, and what if अगर you take the word that clause out of your sentence and how to have an infinitive verb form afterwards. The first example is the doctor suggested that his parents stop smoking. What if we take out that? The doctor suggested his parents to stop smoking. So when you take out that, you have to have an infinitive verb form. Congress has decreed that the gasoline tax be abolished, or the Congress has decreed the gasoline tax to be abolished. We proposed that he take a vacation, or we proposed we proposed him to take a vacation. We proposed him to take a vacation. More, I move that we adjourn until this afternoon, or I move us to adjourn until this afternoon. So that's how you have to adjust when it comes to your verbs provided with that. आपके पास simple verb form होगा, और अगर that आपने omit कर दिया है sentence में which is a subjunctive sentence, so in that case आपके पास infinitive verb form होगा. Are so good. We spoke about कि आपने subjunctive में किस तरीके से clause में that के साथ simple verb form और infinitive verb form के adjust करना है and all. Now, the simple verb form is also used after impersonal expressions with the same meaning as a verb. अब तक हम जो पढ़ रहे थे उसमें आपके पास दो subjects मौजूद थे, and we were playing with that clause and simple verb form and infinitive verb form. अब आपको ये भी मालूम होना चाहिए कि आप सिंपल वर्ब फॉर्म तब भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब आप एक इम्पर्सनल एक्सप्रेशन को यूज़ करते हैं. एंड अगेन इम्पर्सनल एक्सप्रेशन इज़ समथिंग जिसमें आपके पास सब्जेक्ट डिफाइंड नहीं होता, आप उसको एक जनरल वर्ड इट से डिफाइन करते हैं. इसमें आप किसी ही शी को बात नहीं करते. इट्स जनरल विदाउट मेंशनिंग एनी सब्जेक्ट. यू जस्ट यूज़ इन इंग्लिश द सब्जेक्ट इम्पर्सनल एक्सप्रेशन में आपने द वर्ड सिंपल इट इस्तेमाल करते हैं एंड योर मैसेज इज अक्रॉस. यू आर नॉट यूजिंग एनी स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट. इसको हम एग्जाम्पल में भी फर्दर क्लैरिफाई करेंगे. इन दैट केस आपके पास जो एडजेक्टिव्स होंगे दैट फिट इन टू द फॉर्मूला इंक्लूड द फॉलोइंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एडवाइज्ड. And now here we are dealing with adjectives now. So far we were discussing about the verbs. Now when you have to have an impersonal expressions जिसमें आपके पास कोई defined subject नहीं है, instead you just use a general, एक ambiguous term it इस्तेमाल होती है and you just go your sentence through. So the list of adjectives are advised, important, mandatory, necessary, obligatory, proposed, recommended, required, suggested, urgent, imperative. So these are the list of adjectives that perfectly fit into sentences which are impersonal expressions. And again उसमें आपने simple verb form इस्तेमाल करते हैं. अब हम इसका formula देखते हैं sentence construction में. In the following rule, this adjective actually indicates one of the list of earlier mentioned adjectives. We just look at the list of adjectives. So this adjective is actually referring to any of those adjectives we just spoke about. We just listed. So look at the example. Since मैंने आपको बताया था impersonal expression है, तो impersonal expression में आपके पास कोई specific adjective subject नहीं होता. You just rather mention anything in general with this verb adject, with this word adject it, right? So this is going to be an impersonal expression followed by be, which is going to be any tense. This will be followed by the adjective from the list we just spoke, and this is the word that clause we have been dealing thus far, and then the subject comes followed by a verb in simple form. Again the simple verb form comes when it comes to a subjunctive sentence with an impersonal expression with no specific subject mentioned in it. क्योंकि पहले जो हम sentences पढ़ रहे थे उसमें आपके पास दो subject मौजूद थे. Since we know subjunctive by now कि one person